In a dental clinic, hygiene is not just important, it's critical. Introducing the compact Thoroughclean ultrasonic cleaning machine, specially designed for dental practices that demand precision and safety. Using high-frequency ultrasonic waves, the machine creates microscopic cavitation bubbles that gently and effectively remove bloodstains, debris, plaque, and contaminants from dental instruments, even in hinges, grooves, and hard-to-reach areas. Unlike manual scrubbing, ultrasonic cleaning reduces handling risk, improves sterilization preparation, and ensures consistent cleaning results every cycle. Its compact design makes it ideal for clinics with limited space while offering powerful performance and low noise operation. With faster cleaning cycles and minimal chemical use, dentists can save time, maintain strict hygiene standards, and enhance patient safety. For modern dental clinics seeking reliable instrument cleaning, the compact Thoroughclean ultrasonic machine is a smart and efficient solution. Thoroughclean, precision hygiene for confident dental care. Call now 9810 065 675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.